Hey, it's Leaura Luciano here for Neighborhood.com. We're here at the Drive-In Studios in New York City. We're checking out what's new for 2012 from Ford in terms of their design and sustainability approaches. So Anthony, can you tell us a little bit about Ford's, what we're doing with design and also sustainability, how Ford is making that cool?
Well, just take a look at the Ford Focus Electric. Here we have a vehicle that is totally eco, no petrol used in its propulsion, totally electric, and happens to be dynamic, fun, could fit 5 people comfortably and their stuff. What we've shown is that you can be eco and sustainable without any compromise whatsoever in design. And I mean, that's a powerful message, you know, for the world that we live in.
Pretty impressive. Can you tell us a little bit more about what you do at Ford in terms of design?
Well, I deal with the aesthetics. So it's my job to make things emotionally attractive and appealing, to be able to take all the things that I hear from consumers. You know, they tell me they want a vehicle that's seductive, that's sensuous. And I take all these abstracts and give it shape and form and deliver it so that when they look at it, they're like, I can't express why I want it, but I must have it.
Susan, can you tell us a little bit about trends that are coming down the pipeline for 2012 in terms of color?
Yeah, we have a couple of different trends for our vehicle colors. We always offer about 9 or 10 colors per vehicle: blacks, whites, silvers, grays, reds. But we also change colors every year, what we call fashion colors or trend colors. So some of the colors that you see behind here are some of the new colors that are coming out in some of our vehicles. One is ginger ale, one is Kodiak brown, and the other is frosted glass.
So Anthony, can you tell me a little bit more about the history of design and the influence of non-automotive, other designs on the automotive industry?
Sure. Well, first, history absolutely repeats itself. So as a designer, I think it's really important to look at what has happened in the past and learn from it. So we see common threads and how the synergies of a previous decade led to what happened to the next decade that leads to the next. And we see that happening today as well. I think, because of the events of the 2000s, I mean, no one will ever be the same after 9/11. And because of that, it had caused, like a domino effect to what has led to this decade. And I think the choices that we make now will lead to what happens the next decade. And it's why it's so important that we need to recognize the need for sustainable eco products.